Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Scott Tarcy, owner of CADdesignhelp.com. Just working from my couch here, my joggers, enjoying life. I was a corporate engineer for about 10 years, worked for a couple of big manufacturing companies. Did not really like that lifestyle. I didn't like having to go to an office, so started doing CAD work on the side. Went full time about 6 years ago, and a big part of what I do is 3D printing. So I'm going to show a cool little thing that I've learned. Well, this is kind of an experiment actually, but I designed this trophy. This is the golf Masters golf trophy, and this is a customized one that a guy wanted. This whatever this is here, Fran Major Championship, something open on it. So I took out the Masters text, put that on it. But I've been having some trouble with this part because some of these little posts are breaking. And what I did is I did three processes. So I use a program called Simplify 3D, as you see here. Pretty good 3D printing program. And I did three processes because what I want to do, again, this is my first time I'm going to be printing it with these settings, but from this point up to about that point, I want to do 100% infill, and that should make these a lot stronger. So if I go here and I'll show you real quick, the trick is over here. See this, start at 18, stop at 25. So I use calipers to measure, well, I could use in CAD as well, but measure from the bottom of this post to the top here at this under overhang. And so, yeah, we're gonna just prepare to print, and we'll go downstairs and put it in the Ultimaker and see what happens.